Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a box haul from Shein, and I got my special guest with me today, my daughter.
Hi guys, my name is Zari from Zari's World.
Yes, and don't mind this ring around her lips. She was drinking some Gatorade, and what happened?
So I was like drinking Gatorade, and then my lips got stuck, and I was like, not a big deal, and I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. That's what happened or whatever. So I am going to start with the first item that I got from Shein, which is a pair of pants. And I thought these were so cute. And I usually don't wear stuff like this, but these are cute. They have like this little bell bottom flare at the bottom. They're like fuzzy, but these are thick. And I didn't expect these to be so thick, but these are so thick. What you rate these, Ari?
I rate they're pretty cute, and I love bell bottoms myself, so I give them a 10 out of 10.
Period. So I will be posting pictures and all of these clothes that I'm wearing pretty soon, so that's why I'm not doing a try on haul, because I just want to wait till you guys see how I look on me in my pictures. So that is the first item. I got this cute hat. I thought this was so cute and fuzzy. I love black, guys. I love black, but oh, and I think you can. Nope, we ain't gonna do that. But this is so freaking cute. Look at this cute fuzzy hat. It gives like, I don't know, retro. I don't know, rock star type. I don't know, crazy, wow. Yeah, I love that. But it's like stringy, fuzzy, and it's really cute. What do you rate this at? Your honest opinion. You don't have to say 10 out of 10 on everything. 7? Okay, why?
Because it kind of matches with the pants, and I would rather give this a 7 because I like the strings and the details that they added on it, and black is my favorite color, so yeah.
Okay. She gives that a 7. I like this, and like she said, it does go with the pants, and of course you can wear it with something solid too. So this is the next item that I have, and this is a dress. Oh my god, this is actually a lot thicker than what it looked like on the picture. Oh, you want to know what I like most about this dress? It gives the shape right here. Like it cinches, or whatever the word is, the waistband, and I think that you see it right here? Yeah, like it cinches.
Like, you know how you like
a cord. Yes, like that. And then this dress is very long, guys, like to the floor. It does not have a split in it. Oh, it does have a split in it on this side. But this dress is so freaking cute, and I cannot wait to wear it. Actually, I'll post a side picture. That's what I'll do. Since I'm not trying to do it, I'll post a side picture of how the items look. What do you rate this dress?
That, I love that because I've been seeing dresses like that, so I give it a 9.
Okay, cool. I got this cute black chain. I think I got another chain just like this in there somewhere. It's a silver one, but it's super cute. It's kind of like sparkly, super cute, and you can dress this up or down, like or down. It probably looks silver on camera, but I promise you it's black. I promise you it's black. But what do you rate this? This is so cute.
I like that because I'm really into jewelry myself, and I love jewelry. Like earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and I love making bracelets and rings and stuff.
Right.
So that, I give that an 11. No, a 5.8 out of 10. A 5.8.
You know that's a low rating, right? Okay. Just making sure you know. All right. Oh, here's the gold one. I knew I had a gold one. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all, because Josie is asleep and she's quiet. So I'm trying to get this video out the way. That's my youngest daughter, which is
Josie sleeps about per 30 minutes an hour.
So, yeah, that's that one. I'm pretty sure you rate that the same?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the next item, and this is a pair of, I would like to say, maybe spandex type leggings. These are cute, but
those some type of pants
I got these in an
work.
extra small, and they don't look like no extra small, but we'll see when I try them on. A lot of the times I like to wash my stuff on hot so it can shrink a little more, because I'm like super tiny, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm like super tiny. But what do you rate these?
Haven't you worn those type of pants before?
No. What do you rate those? Chop, chop.
9 again.
Okay. Yeah, because she likes when I wear black pants and dress up. So this
I
is the
love when
next.
she dress.
This is the next item. This is like a cropped hoodie sweater. It's very thick and fuzzy. I love this. Like it's this is gonna be warm too. I'm glad I got this. Ooh, and I like how it has these tightening little strings at the bottom. I don't know what to call those, but you could tighten it and scrunch it up. And I think that's so cute. And it has, I don't know what that say on the front. I don't know, but it's cute. It's black. It's thick, and I love it. Sorry. What do you rate this?
I love that because you have the same as me and Joe. You know, like the brown one that you got us from Shein. So that's a 12.
Okay, great. Next item. I thought these were so cute. These are like some
I know what I am.
legging type pants. This is definitely see-through, so I would definitely wear like some leggings underneath it because I didn't know it was like see-through like that. So yeah, I will wear like another pair of leggings underneath these.
Or you could like wear it to the beach or something.
Yeah. But I think the place that I'm wearing these to is not like, it's gonna still be cold, so I'm gonna wear like some leggings under it. But I like how it has like these rips and little, I don't know what to call it, but these are cute. I like the colors. I like the brown. Sorry, I like the brown and the green. What do you rate this? What do you rate them? We gotta push before she wake up.
They're very cute, but
what?
4.
Okay, why?
Because why would you wear see-through pants out in the winter?
That's why I said I'm gonna wear leggings underneath them, girl.
You gotta wear like the, or you could wear like your stockings.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put.
Ooh, I
this
like
is so
this,
cute.
mommy.
I don't know what this says, but this is so cute, girl. This is so cute. It's like a cropped shirt. It's kind of thick material. I like it because it's black and it got a little bit of green color to it. But yes, it's a cropped shirt. And yes, so cute. What do you rate that? Okay, on to the next thing.
8.
I got these socks. I always order socks like this. I got like probably, I don't know, 15 pairs, browns, nudes, blacks, yellows, I don't know. But I love these socks because I like to wear like my socks scrunched up with like tennis shoes and boots and stuff like that. And you know you rate those like a 20 because you love the same socks. I got them some kids ones off of Shein too.
Mommy,
Same scrunchy
did
socks.
you know we have, what is that?
It's a coat, a jacket. I thought this was so freaking cute. It's even cuter in person because honestly on Shein it looked super thin.
Mommy, I thought this was a wig.
Girl, bye.
No.
On Shein it looked a lot thinner, but it's actually like a puffer, and it's so cute, and it's like scrunchy at the bottom, and the sleeves are fuzzy and cute, and it stands out, and it gives a pop of color. So I really think this is cute, and I like how it zips up like to the neck area, and it's kind of like a metallic type looking color, or I don't even know what to call it, metallic, something like that. But it's not like shiny. It looks shiny, but it doesn't feel shiny. It kind of feels like, I don't even know how to explain
it. Feels shiny to me. It doesn't feel shiny, but it like feels like plastic,
suede.
like a plastic.
It don't even feel
bag.
like plastic. It feels like suede or something.
Oh
almost.
yeah, because
suede mixed with like the feel of like sweatpants or something like that.
Oh yeah,
but yeah.
That's what it
so
feels like.
I like this jacket. What do you rate this? Hurry up.
It looks like an owl skin. So I'm gonna like rate it about like a 5.
Okay.
Next. Oh, and that green shirt, I rate that a 9.
Yeah, of course you do. Next is this cute purse. I thought this was so freaking cute. It comes, this is the purse, right? It comes with this cute chain. Sorry, I keep doing it wrong. It comes with this cute chain, and you can wear it as a shoulder purse.
I'm gonna wear some of your clothes.
And then you can wear it like this as well. So I thought that was so cute. Look how cute that is. Okay. So the next item that I have is these shoes, and I'm looking at them and they look like purplish. All I see is purple, but on the camera you guys can actually see the green and
That's
purplish
cool.
and blue.
No, because it looks rainbow.
I know, right? It looks raw. So I like these, and these are like, it feels like a really, 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 really thick like foam material to the shoes, but they feel very sturdy and they cute. You about to like these next ones, sorry. So the final item that I have,
I'm about to close my eyes.
from Shein,
Tell me when to open it.
is dun 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 open. These are cool.
Stop. Take
This is probably my favorite item,
bro,
out of the whole
I really want those.
box.
Mommy,
or whatever
I've
you
been
want to call
wanting
it.
them for so long.
Me too, girl, and I finally got some. These are so cute. Can't
They've
wait to wear
been on
these.
Shein.
I know. So yes, guys, this is the last item in the box. I hope you guys. What do you rate these? What you rate the other shoes?
The other shoes, I will those. Let me see.
Come on,
100, and then I'll rate these in 1,000.
Period. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with my special guest, my lovely daughter, Zari. Her rating my clothes. I will put a picture up of each item that I put up since I didn't try them on. And you guys tell me what was your favorite item in the comments below. And I will put the links in the bio as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Stay tuned for my next uploads. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.